This video answers the query how to buy shares of Gold.com Inc. and gives a concise, educational walkthrough. Gold.com Inc. operates in the gold sector and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GOLD US. This content is for education only and not financial advice. To proceed, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as the example to show the workflow. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker GOLD US to locate the listing. Make sure the company name and NASDAQ market match so you select the correct stock. On the Gold.com Inc. asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart for context. Double-check the ticker GOLD US and the NASDAQ listing to confirm it's the right share. To invest, click the Invest or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if your account lacks sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your Gold.com Inc. position will appear in your portfolio page. If you want to follow the same steps, the link to eToro is available in the description below.